I'm sorry, but the provided article content is not sufficient to write a briefing on blockchain. The content mainly pertains to privacy policies and subscription services, which are not directly related to blockchain technology. If you would like me to write a briefing on blockchain technology, I recommend providing some relevant technical articles or industry reports as reference material. I can extract the most valuable information from these sources and summarize it concisely, aiming to strike a balance between information density and length. If you are unable to provide relevant materials at this time, I can also attempt to generate a brief explanation introducing the basic concepts and application areas of blockchain technology. Please let me know your specific needs, and I will do my best to provide valuable information. Here is a briefing summarizing the content of several provided articles. Ethereum price prediction bullish, emerging token RCO Finance gains attention. Article summary *. 1. Ethereum price prediction bullish. Analysts predict Ethereum's price may break through $12,000 to $15,000. Technical indicators show strong upward momentum for Ethereum. The roadmap released by Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin helps enhance Ethereum's scalability and decentralization. 2. Emerging token RCO Finance, RCOF, gains attention. RCOF token has increased by 337% during its pre-sale phase. The expected listing price for RCOF token is between 40 cents to 60 cents. The RCO Finance platform behind RCOF will offer AI-driven decentralized financial solutions, including smart investment advisors and trading of over 120,000 assets. RCOF token has broad application scenarios and good appreciation potential, likely following Ethereum's upward trend. Overall, Ethereum's price prediction is bullish, and the emerging token RCO Finance has attracted significant attention from investors, potentially becoming another option for diversifying risk and generating returns. Bitcoin price analysis briefing. 1. Bitcoin's price continues to rise, currently trading around $69,000. Analyst Credible Crypto warns that if Bitcoin falls below the $65,000 support level, it may enter a bearish trend. 2. However, Bitcoin's recent breakout above $71,000 does not exhibit strong market trend characteristics and may just be a corrective rise. Analysts believe that only with strong upward momentum can Bitcoin aim for the $100,000 target. 3. Meanwhile, the Bhutanese government recently transferred some Bitcoin assets to Binance, raising speculation among investors about profit-taking. The Bhutanese government still holds approximately 12,467 bitcoins, valued at about $900 million. 4. Overall, Bitcoin's price remains in an upward channel but faces some resistance and risks. Investors should proceed with caution and closely monitor price trends. Additionally, the emerging Pepe Unchained project has also attracted attention, having raised over $23 million in its pre-sale. In summary, Bitcoin's price has shown volatility recently, and investors need to closely watch market dynamics and act cautiously. Meanwhile, emerging crypto projects are also worth attention. Briefing on the rise of the Solana ecosystem, November 2, 2024. Overview *. Recently, tokens within the Solana (SOL) ecosystem have performed well, attracting widespread attention from investors. Projects such as Solana, SOL, Pepe Unchained, Pipu, and Moonwell, have shown good development momentum. Additionally, AI-related token TARS AI, TAI, has also garnered attention. Overall, against the backdrop of Bitcoin, BTC, price stabilization, these tokens exhibit strong investment value. Solana, SOL. The total locked value, TVL, of Solana has significantly increased, reflecting enhanced user participation and network stability. Although the price has not fully recovered to historical highs due to increased token circulation, it is expected to surpass the $100 billion market cap, with promising future prospects. Pepe Unchained, Pipu. Pepe Unchained is an emerging meme coin project that completed a $23.5 million pre-sale in a short time, attracting widespread attention. The project has launched its own Layer 2 blockchain on Solana, offering decentralized exchange and cross-chain bridge functionalities, demonstrating good development potential. Moonwell, Moonwell, as a lending protocol, has recently seen a threefold price increase, indicating strong market demand. However, with the price rise, it may also face some correction risks, and investors should monitor cautiously. TARS AI, TAI. TARS AI is a low market cap token focused on artificial intelligence. Although it recently experienced a 50% decline, it is still regarded as a potential stock within the Solana ecosystem and is worth attention. Conclusion **. Overall, tokens within the Solana ecosystem are attracting widespread attention, with projects like SOL, Peepoo, Well, and TAI demonstrating varying degrees of investment value. Investors should closely monitor market dynamics, carefully assess risk-reward ratios, and seize potential investment opportunities. Briefing on Craig Wright, the Australian computer scientist claiming to be Bitcoin's creator, November 2, 2024. Key points *. 1. Craig Wright has been accused of contempt of court again, having previously claimed to be the creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. 2. The Cryptocurrency Open Patent Alliance, COPA, has accused Wright of forging documents and has referred the case to the Crown Prosecution Service in England and Wales. 3. Wright recently filed a $1.18 billion lawsuit against Block, a payment company under Jack Dorsey, which COPA believes violates a previous court injunction. 4. Wright denies any contempt of court and states that if found guilty, he is willing to amend the lawsuit to clarify that the new case is unrelated to Bitcoin's creation rights. 5. Wright's contempt of court hearing is scheduled for December, at which time his lawsuit against Block will also be put on hold. Summary * Craig Wright, who claims to be Bitcoin's creator, is embroiled in legal disputes again, facing accusations of contempt of court and document forgery, which have drawn the attention of UK prosecutors. His recent $1.18 billion lawsuit is also considered a violation of a previous court injunction, with his case set for hearing in December. Briefing on Vitalik Buterin's response to community concerns, November 2, 2024. Main content * 1. The Ethereum Foundation's recent sale of 2,500 ETH has sparked discontent in the community. Vitalik Buterin stated that the funds are used to support core Ethereum development work, including enhancing network security, reducing transaction fees, and improving privacy, which are crucial for the entire Ethereum ecosystem. 2. Some community members questioned why ETH was not directly staked for returns instead of being sold. Buterin explained that this was to avoid being forced into an official choice during a fork. He proposed new ideas, such as granting funding to allow recipients to stake the foundation's ETH themselves. 3. Ethereum is advancing upgrade plans such as the Merge, Surge, and Purge, aimed at improving scalability, security, and efficiency. However, ETH's price has recently underperformed, dropping 9.21% over the past week, reflecting the Foundation's challenge in balancing community expectations with the development of Ethereum's financial ecosystem. Overall, Vitalik Buterin is committed to maintaining Ethereum's long-term healthy development and actively addressing community concerns, demonstrating responsible leadership. Despite facing some challenges, Ethereum continues to steadily advance its technological upgrades, laying the groundwork for future development. Briefing on Changpeng Zhao's return to the cryptocurrency stage, November 2, 2024. Changpeng Zhao, the renowned founder of Binance, made his first public appearance this Thursday at Binance Blockchain Week in Dubai, shortly after being released from a U.S. prison last month. Zhao received a warm welcome and applause on stage, with many attendees capturing the moment on their phones. In an interview with the host, Zhao candidly discussed his 4 months in prison, describing it as a very restrictive experience that also provided him with an opportunity for deep reflection. Despite this, Zhao stated that he currently has no plans to resume operating a cryptocurrency exchange, focusing instead on educational projects like Giggle Academy and investments in fields such as artificial intelligence and biotechnology. He also mentioned that during his imprisonment, U.S. presidential candidates Trump and Harris began discussing cryptocurrency in their campaigns, making him feel that things are moving too fast. Binance's new CEO, Richard Teng, indicated that Binance will focus on momentum in the coming year, expecting regulatory progress, such as the approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF, to bring positive growth to the industry. Overall, Zhao's return to the cryptocurrency space has garnered significant attention, and he expressed his intention to focus on education and investment, contributing to the industry's development. Briefing: Brian Armstrong leading financial technology innovation in South Africa. Brian Armstrong is a leading figure in South Africa's fintech sector, possessing rich insights and experience in digital transformation and financial inclusion. Key points *. 1. Traditional financial institutions play a key role in the digitalization process, and collaboration with fintech companies is essential. 2. Mobile payments and digital wallets are key technologies driving financial inclusion, helping to provide financial services to vulnerable groups. 3. Data analytics and machine learning aid in developing more personalized and convenient financial products to meet the needs of different groups. 4. Appropriate adjustments in policies and regulations are crucial to support the digital development of financial services. 5. In the U.S., the SEC's inadequate regulation has created uncertainty and harm in the cryptocurrency industry, which needs to be corrected. Overall, Brian Armstrong is an expert with in-depth research and rich experience in the fintech field, and his views are of significant reference value for the digital transformation of the financial industry in South Africa and globally. Since the provided article content is unrelated to the topic Charlie Lee, I cannot generate a relevant briefing. These articles mainly discuss an upcoming stage adaptation of the movie It's a Wonderful Life and actor Barry Keoghan's filming situation in Peaky Blinders. These contents are unrelated to Mr. Charlie Lee, and I cannot write a concise and valuable briefing for you. If you can provide more articles related to Charlie Lee, I will do my best to write a briefing for you. This briefing primarily focuses on Gavin Wood and his contributions to the blockchain field. Gavin Wood is a co-founder of Ethereum and the founder of Parity Technologies, which developed the Polkadot project. Recently, Wood also established the Web3 Foundation to provide funding support for development teams dedicated to building a decentralized internet. Wood believes that the transition from Web 2 to Web 3 is not an optional step, but a necessity. The current internet faces centralization and privacy issues that need to be overcome in the next generation of internet technologies. Wood is optimistic about creating new solutions that meet user needs, provided the right incentive mechanisms are in place. Additionally, the article reports on a riot incident in Rotherham, UK. A 16-year-old girl participated in the riot to impress a boy and threw stones at the police. The judge ultimately sentenced her to a 12-month mandatory referral order and ordered her to pay £111 in costs. In summary, this briefing focuses on Gavin Wood's contributions to the blockchain field and a riot incident involving a teenager. The former reflects Wood's foresight regarding Web3 development, while the latter highlights the motivations behind youth criminal behavior and its legal consequences. Briefing: ConsenSys layoffs 20%, Ethereum price trend analysis, and Crypto All-Stars ICO, November 2, 2024. Summary *. 1. Blockchain company ConsenSys announced a 20% layoff, affecting approximately 162 employees. CEO Joseph Lubin stated that this was due to macroeconomic pressures and regulatory uncertainties. Lubin accused the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, of abusing its power, causing significant losses for the company. 2. Ethereum's price has risen nearly 3% in the past 24 hours, trading at $2,665. Analysis indicates that ETH's price may continue to rise, potentially challenging the resistance level of $3,250. However, if faced with selling pressure, it could also drop to the support level of $2,327. 3. The emerging Crypto All-Stars project has raised $2.8 million, allowing investors to earn returns on various popular meme coins through the Meme Vault protocol on a single platform. Analysts predict that this token could achieve a tenfold increase. Overall, Consensys's layoffs reflect the challenges faced by the cryptocurrency industry. Ethereum's price trend remains bullish, and new projects like Crypto All-Stars are attracting investor attention. Overall, the cryptocurrency market remains turbulent, requiring close monitoring of regulatory environments and macroeconomic changes. Briefing: Bitmain denies connection to Huawei supply chain investigation, November 2, 2024. Main content ***. 1. Bitmain issued a statement denying any connection to the Huawei supply chain investigation, calling the related reports false and baseless. 2. Reports indicated that TSMC had suspended shipments to chip company SoftGo, which collaborates with Bitmain co-founder Jihan Wu, due to concerns that chips produced by SoftGo were found to be used in Huawei's AI processors. This raised concerns about potential violations of U.S. export controls. 3. Huawei denied procuring chips from TSMC since the U.S. export restrictions were imposed in 2020. SoftGo also denied any business dealings with Huawei and stated it would take legal action against false reports. 4. This incident stems from a power struggle between Bitmain's founders. Jihan Wu and others had ousted Jihan Wu but later regained partial control through litigation. 5. Huawei has long faced regulatory challenges from the U.S., concerned about the national security implications of its technology. In 2020, the U.S. Department of Commerce announced restrictions on any foreign semiconductor company using U.S. software or technology from selling chips to Huawei. Overall, this is a complex incident involving Bitmain, Huawei, and the semiconductor supply chain, requiring further investigation to uncover the truth. Briefing: Axie Infinity, the emerging crypto gaming economy in the Philippines. Axie Infinity is a Pokemon-style play-to-earn game based on the Ethereum blockchain that has seen explosive growth globally, especially among users in the Philippines. In the game, players can buy, borrow, breed, trade, and battle non-fungible token (NFT) characters called Axies. These cartoon pet characters provide real earnings for players, with some even quitting their formal jobs due to their success. The COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent lockdown measures further propelled the growth of Axie Infinity in the Philippines. Some capital-rich individuals and groups have also participated through scholarship and loan programs, sparking discussions about outsourcing work and opportunity inequality. Is Axie Infinity a solution or a scam? Can it maintain long-term market influence? These questions are worth further observation and reflection.